Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a checking account with PNC Bank. Opening a personal checking account with PNC is straightforward, and you have the option to apply either online or by visiting a PNC branch. First, choose your account. PNC offers several personal checking accounts, often bundled into their virtual wallet products. For example, Virtual Wallet includes a spend checking account. Other options include Foundation Checking, which has no overdraft or returned item fees, or Virtual Wallet Student for those in school. Review the features, monthly service charges, and how to waive those fees to pick the one that best fits your needs. Next, gather your information and documents. Whether you apply online or in person, you'll need to provide your Social Security number, your date of birth, a current U.S. residential address, a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, state ID, military ID, or a passport. If you are a non-U.S. citizen without a Social Security number, you will need to apply in person at a branch and provide alternative forms of identification, such as a valid passport and a second form of ID like a U.S. student visa. Finally, complete the application. If you apply online, you will fill out the application on PNC's website, providing your personal information and uploading copies of your ID. The minimum deposit to open an account like the Virtual Wallet Spend is often $0 when applying online. If you open the account in a branch, you'll meet with a representative and provide your documents and information. Some accounts, like Foundation Checking, may have a minimum deposit to open if applying in branch. Once approved, you will have access to your account online through the PNC mobile app, and a debit card will be mailed to you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.